In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes to your Shopify product. Now, if you're running an e-commerce store on Shopify, you know the importance of communication with your customers. Maybe you want to offer them an option to leave special instructions or personalized messages when they're buying a gift from your store. Shopify enables this feature by allowing you to add a note section to your product pages. This small but powerful feature can significantly enhance customer experience and satisfaction. So, let's dive right in and get this set up together. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Shopify website. Just head over to your browser and type in Shopify's URL. When you land on the Shopify homepage, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner. Click on that login button. After hitting the login button, it's time to enter your credentials. If your browser has saved your login details, you might see your email or store name highlighted. Go ahead and click on that highlight, or simply type in your store's name if it's not showing up automatically. This will lead you to the next step. Now you're presented with a couple of options for how you wish to continue with the login process. For a smooth experience, we recommend clicking on Continue with Email. This option will prompt you to enter your email address associated with your Shopify account. Once you've filled that in, you're inching closer to accessing your Shopify dashboard. In case you have multiple Google accounts, you might be asked to choose one. This step is relevant if you use Google as your primary login method for Shopify. Pick the account you use for your Shopify store to proceed. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Shopify admin dashboard, the nerve center of your e-commerce empire. Your next stop is the online store section, which you can find on the left sidebar. Click on it to expand your customization options. Within the online store section, you'll notice a button labeled Customize. Clicking on this button will transport you to your theme's live editor. This is where the magic happens and you get to tweak your store's appearance to match your brand. Navigate to the theme settings by finding and clicking on the Theme Settings option, usually located at the bottom of the sidebar in your theme editor. This is your control room for all theme-related adjustments. In the Theme Settings menu, search for the Cart option. The cart settings are crucial because this is where you'll enable the ability for your customers to leave notes with their orders. Upon clicking on the cart settings, look for an option titled Enable Cart Note. By toggling this option on, you're allowing your customers to leave a note with their order during the checkout process. This could be anything from a special delivery instruction to a heartwarming message for a gift recipient. After you enable the cart note feature, it's essential to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located in the top right corner of the theme editor, and click it. This action ensures all your hard work doesn't go to waste, and your customers can start leaving notes with their orders right away. And just like that, you've successfully added a note section to your Shopify product pages. This simple addition can dramatically improve the shopping experience by making it more interactive and personal. Before wrapping up, let's go over a couple of quick tips. Regularly check the notes left by your customers to ensure you're not missing out on any special requests. Also, consider customizing the prompt for the notes section to encourage customers to leave messages. For example, asking, "Would you like to leave a special message with your order?" can guide customers on how they can use this feature. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Now, you're well equipped to enhance your Shopify store's functionality and make your customers' shopping experience even more delightful. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Happy selling,